Correct.
On the upper left.
You sure?
Yep. Is that potential through hole? Very sharp.
Oh, what?
Yeah.
Clay was?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, appreciate it. Thank you. Since I couldn't find any 2JZ to R8 Gallardo adapter plates, I got a 3D scanner guy coming over. He's going to scan the block, the transmission. I'm getting it cleaned up right now for him. And then we're going to make a custom adapter plate. This is Colton right here. He has a scanner. He's putting on some stickers on the block right now. The little reflective dotted stickers gives the scanner a more higher accuracy reading and a target to track. You can see Colton calibrating his scanner right now to make sure that the actual part is to size and up to scale. Okay, so that's where it starts.
That's like the new.
The 3D scanner is just going to help find all the bolt holes and all of the placement to be perfect, so there's no second guessing. You know what I'm talking about?
I knew. What is it?
240s.
All the details like in the holes and all like the little patches sometimes in like the crevices here where it's a little oxidized, it's a little harder to get. That's
Yeah,
what
you just
goes
got to
with-
keep on working it and working
so
it.
you gotta have the cameras both hit and see the lasers at a certain time, so that's why it's going around kind of moving like that to try to get all the different bird's eye views.
"3D scanner dude just sent me the files, so I'm driving 2 hours over to Tucson to see my buddy Jason and Clayton. They own a shop called Finearc. They specialize in precision machining, welding, fabrication, CNC work, water jetting. It's like a one-stop fab shop. Super blessed with having the opportunity to go over there and get some help on this adapter plate. This is Clayton right here. He has the scans open and overlaying them to verify that the bolt holes are right and to create a file to make the adapter plate. We're going to make a test sample out of some 16 gauge steel to verify that the bolt holes are accurate with the scan before we cut it out with the actual expensive material.
Oh my God, no cussing in the videos.
Sick, legit. Test panel.
Oh, there it is.
Right on.
Freaking Clayton design.
Freaking little fucking Willark design.
Willark.
That one's like close.
The holes are a little too. How many? There's just one dowel on the JZ?
Two.
Oh. Oh shit! I can tell that. I mean, for the first shot, it's pretty legit.
Yeah, see, it's a. I mean, left to right seems pretty good. It just
needs to come
up.
up.
These holes are proven. That was a hole he drew.
But once you move this up, these holes will move up too. Yes. Not these ones, but on the JZ
because
side.
we're not moving the whole part. We're just moving this to center that.
Correct. That means that these bolt holes would have to move up. Yeah. Yeah, look, watch. If we take this plate off and go over there, right? And if you want this to come up on that over there, these, right, the JZ, would have to come up to make that hole center.
Right.
Correct.
On the upper left. Hold it upright. Is that right, or does I have a backwards?
I just gauged it off that one square piece you have on there.
Okay. The dowel pin hole is which hole? This is on the
This
back.
one? Oh wait, on the engine?
Wait, no, what am I looking at here? Oh,
We're looking for the dowel pin on the
I'm
engine.
looking at the trans right now.
You want transmission
I am
dowels?
the 2J.
Okay, what are you trying to get? Dowel pins for which
2J.
part?
Well, the one holder.
This one? Okay, let's say it's on the 2J. Which one's the dowel? You don't know where your parents were actually like born? Huh?
Clay is like in the 80s.
That's crazy.
I'm sorry. What year were you born, Clay?
88.
She gonna be thick.
How thick?
I mean, you're gonna be able to make that kind of work. And honestly, if we need to cut that down in thickness and something, we totally can.
What happened?
Oh, the nozzle got too close to the plate, and then it touched the plate, and then it backfed water in the nozzle.
Gotcha.
Because it was so close to the plate. It was probably still reading this.
Yeah, it wasn't cutting though, it was just spraying.
Yeah, because it was touching. The nozzle wouldn't come out.
There you have it. Adapter plate from a 2JZ to an Audi R8. Quick little test fit before we put threads and countersink the bolt holes.
just gonna drop down to go to a 319. All right, so that feels pretty good. Let's try a 320.
No, still very, very aggressive.
Very sharp. Full depth of that plus some.
Appreciate it. Thank you. I'm gonna wrap up this video. We got the adapter plate made, 2JZ to Audi R8 6-speed Gallardo. Big shout out to Finearc, Jason, Clayton, you guys are awesome. Also want to shout out Colton for doing the 3D scans. This project is coming into reality because of you guys. Gonna be making some transmission mounts, motor mounts next, finishing up the cage, so stay tuned.